Hey, this is Stuart Smith with Stuart Designs, and I paint monsters for a living. We're at the Motel 6, completed with Gary Hall. It's about a little after 8, and we are going to bed because we're going to get up early to head to Texas. 861 miles, people. Ah! Yep, gonna get her done. Let's do this. People, we had a flat tire right outside of Mount Pleasant, Texas. Had to do the whole, tractor trailer thing and stuff like that. But we're getting 4 new tires put on that beastie. Yes, sir. Yep. We haven't even made it. We're an hour from our destination. So we've been here for a good hour and a half, enjoying the hospitality of Texas Dodge. Boo-wah. Onwards and upwards. I'll show you some pics. Pretty tires. Good morning, people. We are here. Gonna throw down, having a couple cups of Joe. French roast, very good. And we're gonna throw down and change of plans. We were gonna do the whole thing, and now we're just mainly doing the floors over again, which is quite a job. We're gonna get her done. We're gonna make it awesome. Spiders and asses and all sorts of things. So hey, let's get this bad boy started. We got here about 6 o'clock last night. Got a good night's sleep. So ready to rock. And Sue's in there making buckwheat pancakes. Oh yeah. Throw down. High fiber. Let's get her done. So here we are in the first room. Now I did this 4 years ago. And Sue loved it so much that the plan was we were going to come and repaint everything. But she said, I can't cover it over. I can't do it. So we are going to just do the floors and one major image on this back wall here. She wants an evil spider, a nasty Stewie spider, and that's what we's going to give her. Yeah, throwing down a nasty Stewie spiders. So let's get that bad boy going.